You now better understand the 4 patterns of communication. For each of the characters, see if you can correctly pick the primary pattern he or she used in the boardroom scene. Based on your current understanding of the persogenic patterns, do you think there is a best one? Select whichever pattern you think is the best. If you think all are equal, select none. None of the 4 patterns trumps any one of the other 3. They all boast situational strengths and weaknesses. For example, though Diana offended her coworkers, people using a dominant pattern have a knack for completing tasks very quickly. As such, all of us must learn to modify our natural patterns to create a more positive work environment. Click on a character pair to see how Diana should modify her pattern to have healthier interactions with Keith, Patricia, and Jason. If Diana controls her feelings less, her interactions with Keith will be more productive. For instance, she could tell him that he is a valuable part of the company. If she needs him to do something, say cut costs, she should ask him as though asking a personal favor. Diana should remember that expressives love to be needed and that they value relationship. To connect with Patricia, Diana needs to practice some patience. Due to her analytical nature, Patricia is very detail-oriented. As such, Diana can empower Patricia by allowing her more time to think through her responses. Diana would also be wise to remember that analyticals like to be asked and not told what to do. Jason is a difficult person for Diana to understand. Not only is he less assertive, he also makes many decisions based upon his feelings. To relate to Jason, Diana needs to speak in a softer voice and ask for his opinions. If she wants him to change something, she needs to first show him that she's considered his input. As a whole, Diana should remember that amiables dislike conflict and confrontation. Hopefully, you have learned a handful of skills that will help you better understand your associates. As Diana learned, it isn't an overnight process. Click on the link to visit the Persogenics website, where you can watch Diana implement the skills she learned through her Persogenics training.